Packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structures. It's very simple. You see, in HCP and CCP structures, atoms will be at corners as well as faces. So we are considering here one atom at this corner, and this is another one. And you see, this is edge length A, this is another edge length A, and this distance we are taking as B. Okay, so triangle ACD, if you consider from this, according to your very old superb formula, that is Pythagoras theorem, a square plus a square is equal to b square. Therefore, b square is equal to 2a square. Right? Now, the important point is, see here, this is one radius, this is having two radius, and this is one more radius. That means this b distance is radius plus radius, radius and radius. So, in B, there are 4 radius. So, B is equal to 4R. And from here, you can say B is equal to root 2A. But B is equal to 4R. Therefore, 4R is equal to root 2A. When 4R is equal to root 2A, R is equal to root 2A by 4. These are important formulae for your calculations. Or A is equal to 4 by root 2R. 4R by root 2. These are all formulae you need to remember very well. Otherwise, you can, by simply drawing this, you can easily identify. Okay, don't worry. Don't by heart the things. Remember, there is a difference between by hearting and remembering. Okay, there is a slight difference. You need to understand the difference. So now, number of effective atoms in HCP or CCP will be 4. How 4? Because 8 corners will be there. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. 6 faces will be there. 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So 1 and 3 is nothing but 4. Right? Number of effective atoms are 4. So packing efficiency is equals to volume of atoms by total volume, volume of unit cell. Volume of atom means 4 atoms are there, each atom 4 by 3 pi r cube, divided by volume of unit cell, that is A cube. A is equal to, we have written 4R by root 2, 4R by root 2 cube. If you simplify this, you will be getting packing efficiency is equal to, if you are solving this completely, you will be getting 0.74 or 74%. 74% is much better than body center as well as simple cube. In simple cube it is 52.4, in body center it is 68%, and this is the most efficient packing. What we have done here, first we have taken this triangle. In this triangle, 2 edge lengths A and A are taken. 2 edge lengths is equal to this edge length A square. A square plus A square is equal to B square, or B is equal to root 2A. Then B is equal to 4R, because this is equals to 4 radius. So 4R is equal to root 2A. And you can make it very simple. R is equal to root 2A by 4, or A is equal to 4R by root 2. And the mathematical simplifications like R is equal to A by 2 root 2, such kind of things also you can make. R is equal to A by 2 root 2. Very, very important. You need to remember all this. Number of effective atoms are 4. Packing efficiency is equals to volume of atoms by total volume of the unit cell. Okay, that is equals to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, divided by 4r by root 2 whole cube. So when you are solving this, you will be getting there 0.74 or 74%. It is better than body center and simple cube. Thank you. This is your Lakshma Reddy sir.